Welcome to ExBot Help. This is ExBot developer Isuru Abarathna. In this video, we are going to create a saving plan that best suits your lifestyle based on your monthly income and expenses. That is one of the main goals of ExBot. First, I'll explain how the system works, and then we'll create a saving plan together. The core purpose of ExBot is to identify the most realistic saving rate or saving amount you can achieve based on your earnings and spending habits. This helps you understand how capable you are of building meaningful savings from your actual income. The more room you have for savings, the greater your financial flexibility and freedom become over time. In ExBot, the objective is to reach a desired savings target within a defined time period. This is achieved by continuously fine-tuning either the saving rate or a fixed saving amount. Adjusting these values helps you discover your true saving potential while still maintaining a practical daily budget. Now let's create a saving plan step by step. For this demonstration, I have already recorded sample daily transactions. Now let's configure the pool for the savings plan. The starting date is the date from which ExBot begins analyzing my transactions for the saving plan. My starting date is March 27th, 2026. I would like to achieve my savings target by June 26th, 2027. That becomes my plan end date. The monthly income field helps ExBot forecast potential earnings for the entire saving period. For this demonstration, I'll enter 50,000. Under the calendar section, you can see a triangle indicator. Green means you are within your budget. Orange means you are approaching the alert level. Red means you are exceeding the monthly budget. You can define your own alert level inside the pool settings. My alert level is 1,000. Keep in mind that in ExBot, the term budget refers to the amount available for spending after the saving amount has already been allocated. In the credit cards field, I can enter the total balances of my credit card sources. ExBot excludes these balances from savings calculations. Currently, my credit card balance is 5,000. Once the goal settings are configured properly, including start date, end date, monthly income, credit balances, I press the Save or Proceed button. The concept is simple, but the calculations are fully based on ledger transaction data and the pool configuration. Now we can activate the saving plan. Inside Preference Settings, I enable Set Target. ExBot now calculates and assigns a maximum daily spending amount called the base amount. The base amount represents the recommended daily expense limit for the current month. This amount is important because it directly affects your final savings outcome. If the base amount feels too low for your daily lifestyle, you should reduce the saving rate or the fixed saving amount. If the base amount is comfortably high, you may increase your saving target further. The Today's Left field shows how much money is still available for the current date. This value increases when you spend less than the base amount, decreases or even becomes negative if you spend more than the base amount. The Expected Base shows the updated daily expense limit calculated from your current spending behavior. It adjusts dynamically as your transaction patterns change. Once the saving plan is configured, you can enable the progression bar. The progression bar has 3 modes. 1. Saving target 2. Monthly budget 3. Monthly available. We will discuss these modes in detail in a future video. For now, I'll set it to Saving Target mode. This allows me to monitor my savings progress visually. You can also hover your mouse over the progression bar to see additional statistics. ExBot also includes a calendar heat map. Dates are color-coded based on spending intensity. The base amount is treated as the 100% reference point and shown in green. To enable the heat map, open Preference Settings. Enable Colors. We will cover the calendar system in detail in another video. As you can see, ExBot tells me that I have already achieved my desired savings target based on the current configuration. Right now, I am using a 20% saving rate. This means ExBot continuously saves 20% of my total income throughout the period. As income changes over time, the savings target automatically adjusts. No matter how high or low the income becomes, the saving percentage remains the same. On the other hand, the fixed saving amount option targets a specific savings amount by the end of the plan period. Unlike the saving rate, this amount remains fixed regardless of income fluctuations. It's important to remember, if both saving rate and fixed saving amount are enabled at the same time, ExBot prioritizes the fixed saving amount. Otherwise, the system automatically uses the saving rate. Currently, saved amount, $26,825. Target savings, $151,171. Completion, 18%. My current expected base is 1,262.12. That is slightly higher than what I need for daily expenses. I prefer to keep my daily spending limit closer to 1,000, so I will increase the saving rate slightly. I raise it to 30%. Then I press Apply Rate and Save or Proceed. The expected base becomes 1,083.01, still slightly high. Now I increase it further to 34%. And now the expected base becomes 1,011.36. That works much better for me. Once you are satisfied with the base amount, you will have a practical and achievable savings plan ready to follow. To get accurate results, it is very important to record transactions consistently over an extended period of time, preferably more than 1 month. Feel free to analyze your spending habits further and continue optimizing your savings plan. Here's a bonus tip. If you open the Admin Control page, you will find additional pool statistics in the table located at the bottom right corner. These are some of the internal development statistics I used while building ExBot. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more ExBot tutorials and updates. For support and additional information, check the links in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.